Hello children, welcome to the English class. Today let us start with the new lesson. Lesson number 5, Ice in the Forest. Before starting the lesson, a riddle is there. Let us try to solve. Okay. A man, a goat, a bundle of grass and a lion. He needs to take them to other side of the river. He can only take any one with him in the boat at a time. If he takes the lion, the goat will eat the grass. If the farmer takes the grass, the lion will eat the goat. How can he take all three to the other side? Okay, let us think about it and solve. Okay children, here what the man does, he will take first goat with him to other side, right? Again he keep the goat here, he come back. This time he take the grass. He goes there and he keep. While coming, he bring back the goat and keep the goat here. He take the lion and he keep the lion here. Again he come back, he take the goat with him and he go to the other side. Like this, he will end up with the solution. For every difficult situation, there will be a solution. We have to think and apply for the correct time, the correct idea. Let us see what happens in the lesson. See, a very huge block of sparkling ice appeared in the middle of the forest one morning. The animals looked at it. It was filled with gems. The gems sparkled brightly in the sun rays. The Lion King announced, "Whoever get the gems out will become the king after me." One day, in the middle of the forest, one big ice block will come. It contains many sparkling gems. These all are shining very brightly in the sun rays. So all animals are gathered to see this. Meanwhile, the Lion King said, "Whoever take out the gem from this will become the king after me." The animals jumped at the chance to dig out the gems. Well, everyone except the weasel, who stood by and watched the other animals trying to reach the treasure. The animals used their different body parts to dig the treasure out from the ice block. The elephant said, "I have a trunk. I shall break the ice with my trunk." The elephant used his trunk to break the ice, but he ended up hurting the gorilla instead. The tiger tried to use his sharp claws to make a hole through the ice, but his claws got stuck in the ice. The troop of monkeys decided to break the block. They threw bananas and stones at the rate of machine guns, but they missed the target and instead ended up hurting the other animals. So they had to stop. It wasn't an easy job, but the animals weren't ready to give up. All day long they tried different methods to break the ice block, but had no success. What happens children here? After the lion announced, the animals, all animals jumped to dig the ice, to dig the gem from the ice. Okay. Well, everyone except the weasel. Weasel means Mungshi, Nevla. He was just standing. And all was trying to get the treasure. Treasure andra nidhi. Okay. Firstly came the elephant. He used his trunk to break the ice. But the gorilla, he hurt the gorilla while breaking the ice. Suddenly gorilla got hurt by the elephant. Next came the tiger. He tried his claws, sharp claws to break the ice, but he hurted. Next came the troop of monkeys. Troop means group of monkeys. Okay, they started to throw banana and stones like a machine gun, one after one. But other animals got hurt. Nothing has happened to the iceberg. It wasn't easy. It was easy job Allah. So all they tried, but they not got the success. Okay. We'll see for the spellings now. The animals jumped at the chance to dig. D-I-G, dig out the G-E-M-S, gems. W-E-L-L, well, everyone except for the weasel, W-E-A-C-L, who stood by and watched other animals trying to reach treasure, T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E, treasure. The animals used their different body parts to dig treasure from the ice block. The elephant said, I have trunk, T-R-U-N-K, trunk. I shall break the ice with my trunk. The elephant used his trunk to break the ice, but he ended up hurting the gorilla. The tiger tried to use S-H-A-R-P, sharp claws, C-L-A-W-S, claws, to make the hole through the ice. But his claws got stuck. S-T-U-C-K, stuck ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ತದ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾತಾ ಹೈ in the ice. The troop means group. Troop of monkeys decided to break the block. They threw bananas and stones on the rate of the machine gun. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. Machine guns mean speedily, one after one they just started throwing. But they missed the target. T-A-R-G-E-T, target means this. Okay. Instead ended up hurting the other animals, so they had to stop. It wasn't easy job, but the animals weren't ready to give up all day long. They tried different methods to break the ice block, but they not got success. Okay children, we'll stop over here. We'll continue in the next class. Bye.